Dear students, welcome in computer class. And students, I hope you all are safe and secure at your home. Now students, by this week we are discussing the generation of computer. Okay, so our today's topic is generation of computer. So here is the conversation between teacher and Dobo. So here teacher said, depending on the time period in which the computer were used and their operations, they are divided into different generations. Now Dobo said, what are the generations? It means Dobo was not understanding, so he asked the question ki what are the generations. Now teacher replied, like we have different generations like grandparents, parents, children at home, depending on our age, on the year in which we are born. In the same way, we classify computer into 5 different generations. Means, dear students, computer have the 5 generation. Here is the picture shown to you. First generation, second generation, then third generation, fourth and fifth generation. These are the computer generations. Now here is the activity for you. Trace your ancestral generations. Dear students, you do this activity by yourself. There are the 2 columns in this activity. First is generation and second is we just write on the name of the generation. The first is great 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 grandfather. We just write on the name of that generation. Great great grandfather, then great grandfather, then grandfather, then father, then yourself. Dear students, you do this activity by yourself. It is very simple activity. Now here is the just PPT, that is PPT on SlideShare. You just watch this PPT also. You just download this PPT also. That is related to this. Now here, teacher, have you seen the early mobile phone, the first mobile phone? Dobo said no. Dear students, the first mobile phone that is invented by Martin Cooper at the year of 1973, and the first mobile phone that is of Motorola company. Okay, so it's a GK question. Now teacher, let us see the different generation of mobile phone. I have some photos with me. Okay, here is the generation of computer. Suppose sorry, computer, not, it is mobile phone. So here is the 1999 mobile phone. Means ki at the year of 1999 such type of mobile phone is was used. Then at 2000 the size of the mobile phone. Now in 2008, then 2010, then 2012 and 2016. Now in the year of 2021 you also use the smartphone. So now you just know about that phone, know about the phone what we are using now these days. Here, earliest mobile phone was simple mobile phone, bulky with only calling features. The screen was also very small. There was no camera in it, and gradually more features were added in the upcoming phones. Every new model of phone had better feature than the previous one. Dear students, yes, we are knowing this ki in every new phone, whenever means ki year to year when we are using the phone, or when we are purchasing the phone, when we are means ki the phones are a mobile phone in the market, then every years in that phone more features or better features than the previous one. Okay, so here is the next. Now hope, have you seen your father's smartphone? Means teacher asked from the Dobo, have you seen your father's smartphone? Dobo, yes, it has a number of features like camera, internet, video recording, number of apps, etc. It is like a mini computer in our hand. Okay, yes, our phone is just like a mini computer that are in our hand nowadays. Now, teacher, I hope you now understand how today's smartphone evolved from the first mobile phone In the same way, each of the five generation of computer is characterized by technological development and fundamentally changed the way computer operate. Most developments result in computer becoming okay in the same way like our smartphone. When we are in those smartphone we are using day by day, more features, more advancement, more technological development just uh, do in these smartphone. In the same way, in our system, in our computer, more development, more technological development. Now we just when now we are using these computer more, that is more powerful, then cheaper, then increasingly smaller, then efficient computer devices. Okay, just like we refine ourselves every day by new learning experience, computers were also refined in terms of hardware and software in every generations. So here is the first generation. Dear students, first generation started from 1940 to 1956. Okay, so here is just shown to you generation period. Dear students, first generation period, that is 1940 to 1956. Then what were the hardware? Vacuum tubes were used in first generation, then magnetic drum for memory, and in that time input was given through punched card and paper tape and output on printout. Okay, this is the hardware characteristics of that time of computer, means first generations computer. The hardware that is used, that is vacuum tube, magnetic drum for memory. And if you want to, at that time if the people just give the instruction, uh, then they were using the punched card. Then software characteristics, machine language were used at that time. But dear students, machine language means binary language, that is 0 and 1. So in that time, those people who were using these computer, then they just do the instruction, they just give the instruction through the machine language, that is the binary language. Binary language means 0 and 1. Solved only one problem at a one time, means single time only a one problem is solved by the computer. And most scientific applications, only the computer at the time used for only scientific applications. And other features, bulky in size. First generation computers were very bulky in size and highly unreliable. Then limited commercial use and costly. Such type of, means first generation of computer were very costly and limited commercial use and difficult commercial production and difficult to use. Dear students, these or that time of generation means ki first generation computers were difficult to use, because in that time instruction only given through the binary language. So they, at the time they were not very popular, only scientific applications, only these computers were used only for scientific applications. So rest of the generation, dear students, we are discussing in the next video. For today, that's all. Thank you.